Hello, students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, College Campus to Corporate. And again, this is the second video on the examination, the final semester examination of graduation as well as post graduation students. So, if you remember what I had mentioned in my earlier video, exactly same thing has happened now. This exam is happening, and unfortunately, the case was in the court of law. It was sub judice, and we wasted a lot of time in getting the results. However, now it is clear. Mumbai University has already issued guidelines and circular about conducting exams, and the exams for sixth semester for the graduating students is going to happen from 1st of October, probably between 1st to 15th of October. And people who have ATKT, for them the exam is going to happen from 15th September to 30th September in this time frame. And whatever internal marks or practicals have to be conducted by college, even that has to be finished before the 30th of September. And as I said, the final semester exam has to be finished by 15th of October. We have to submit, we as a college have every college has to submit the marks to Mumbai University before 15th of October, so that Mumbai University can declare the results by 30th of October. And from the first week of November, the new academic year should start. So that is how basically the timelines are. And as I mentioned earlier, the exams are going to be very, very simple, and you don't have to take any tension, because as I said, in my earlier video, that it could be like a formality, don't take too much of tension. So not exactly as a formality, but yes, I don't think anybody is going to fail in this exam. And if you see, whether it is a UGC, Government of India, whether it is Government of Maharashtra, or it is Mumbai University. In fact, Mumbai University's Vice Chancellor, Dr. Suhas Pednekar, was actually heading the committee for entire Maharashtra. So there were vice chancellors of other universities also, like Pune University, Nagpur University, SMDT University and all. And Dr. Suhas Pednekar was heading this committee. So he has been very consistent in his stand, along with Education Minister of Maharashtra and Uddhavji Thackeray, everybody in the government, that the approach in this exam is completely student centric. Under no circumstances student has to step out of their houses to give the exam. Okay, and they are actually the guidelines what they have formed is exactly in line with this expectation probably given by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhavji Thackeray, and the Education Minister of Maharashtra, Udayji Sawant. Everybody were very clear since beginning, and that has been reflected in the guidelines. So I'll now explain how the exam is going to happen. So there will be 25 questions. Okay, all the questions would be MCQs, right? For an example, if there is a question from a subject, indirect taxes, is the GST law has been implemented in India from year. So there will be options like 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. So you have to choose a right option. Each question will carry 2 marks. So there will be 25 questions. So total 50 marks. And to solve these 25 questions, you will get 1 hour's time. So which is more than sufficient to complete the paper. In fact, you can attempt 100 marks paper in 1 hour in MCQ format. So there is no subjective questions. Be very clear, it will be only objective. Now, to form the question paper, now Mumbai University, I'm sure all the students are aware that there are clusters. So group of colleges called cluster. So around 6-7 colleges are forming one cluster. So every cluster is going to distribute the effort and work among all the colleges to design the papers. So there would be a question bank of about 200 to 250 questions, MCQs, which will be shared with the students, to practice, and your entire paper would come from that. So as I said in the beginning, you really have to put efforts. मतलब आप लोगों को सच्ची में एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा फेल होने के लिए. सब लोग पास हो जाएंगे, और द गुड स्टूडेंट्स जो है थोड़ा सा जिन्होंने पढ़ाई की है और अभी भी कर सकते हो, देखो अभी भी अपने पास टाइम है. The sixth semester exam is going to be starting from first week of October. So we still have about 15 to 18 days left. So you can still start studying and score, I would say 90 plus, 90% plus. Now how we are going to how as a college we are going to scale up the scores of the marks is like if 50 marks is the exam, and suppose it's a 75-25 pattern, for example. So 25 is internal, 75 is your external paper. So this 50 marks will be scaled up by a mathematical formula to 75. So if you get 50 out of 50, you will get 75 out of 75, and then mathematical ratio, right? And then for the 25 marks of internals, college will have their own criteria which university has broadly given already before starting with the semester itself. The formula is decided for this 25 marks. How many marks would be given for a test, for assignments, for projects, for attendance and conduct, and all those things. So that forms your internals. So like that, you will get complete 100 marks. Each and every subject will be calculated like this. So this is the golden opportunity. So some positive thing is happening in this corona, thanks to the government of Maharashtra, government of India, and Mumbai University is always helping students, to basically distress. They are trying to distress students about this particular exam. So, as I said, this is a golden opportunity for each and every student of final year, final semester to improve your first class, improve your score. If somebody is not got first class yet, so this semester will help you to score first class. Overall परसेंटेज आप लोगों का बढ़ जाएगा इससे, क्योंकि ये एग्जाम बहुत ही ईजी होने वाला है. 15 दिन पढ़ाई करो, इतना अच्छा स्कोर आएगा तुम लोग का कि पूरे फर्स्ट सेम से लेके फिफ्थ सेमेस्टर तक अगर किसी के मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आए थे, तो ये सिक्स सेमेस्टर आपका पूरा परसेंटेज अप कर लेगा. सो फॉर प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज लाइक आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन, like B.Ed or MBA, generally there is a requirement of 50% in graduation overall, right? So a lot of people, sometimes they fall short of 1 mark, 2 marks like that, and then they lose out on that opportunity. सो ये गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है, सब लोगों को 50 प्लस मिल जाएगा अगर आप 6 सेमेस्टर में 70-80 क्रॉस कर जाते हो तो. एंड इट्स वेरी सिंपल स्टूडेंट, इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल, इट इज़ अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट? सो डोंट टेक एनी टेंशन, स्टार्ट स्टडिंग MCQs. अगर क्वेश्चन बैंक मिलता है तो वो पूरा का पूरा क्वेश्चन बैंक प्रॉपरली पढ़ाई कर लो बिना टेंशन के, एंड तुम लोग 75, 80, 90 तुम लोग स्कोर कर सकते हो इसमें. इतना ज़बरदस्त फॉर्मूला डॉक्टर सुहास पेडनेकर जी ने, वाइस चांसलर, ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर ऑफ मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी हैज़ क्रिएटेड, एंड रियली थैंकफुल टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र and government of India and everybody for creating such a fantastic formula for students, in this bad time of corona pandemic. So that is about the exam. Now I'll just talk to you about what is after exams. So अभी एग्जाम का टेंशन जीरो हो गया सब लोगों का. अभी अपना काम यहाँ रुकता नहीं है. देखिए, योर एग्जाम्स आर गोइंग टू गेट ओवर. ऑलमोस्ट एंटायर कंट्री, आई वुड से एंटायर वर्ल्ड हैज वेस्टेड लास्ट 6 months. 6 महीने का प्रोडक्टिविटी पूरे वर्ल्ड का एकदम डाउन हो गया है. आपने देखा होगा इंडिया का एंड ऑल द कंट्रीज आर लिटरली 20 to 23% माइनस इन द GDP, राइट? सो दिस इज नॉट अ वेरी गुड साइन फॉर द इकोनॉमी. सो जैसे मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि जो कहावत है, दैट सेइंग, that the best time to go back to school is a recession time. So I would like to tell you students, plan your masters in this time. अगर आप जॉब ढूंढने जाते हो और अगर आपको रिजेक्शन आता है और उससे अगर आप टाइम वेस्ट करने वाले हो, तो ये टाइम यूटिलाइज कर लो. देखो, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने एकेडमिक ईयर पोस्टपोन करके रखा हुआ है. सो नवंबर 15 के बाद ही एकेडमिक ईयर नेक्स्ट ईयर एडमिशन चालू होंगे प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज के, एकेडमिक ईयर शुरू होगा. सो यूटिलाइज दिस टाइम. 2022 में आपके हाथ में MBA जैसा डिग्री अगर होगा तो 2022 तक थिंग्स वुड बी रियली रियली गुड, एंड वी कैन एक्चुअली you can find your dream jobs and your career in a much better position you would be in 2022. So please plan it accordingly. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अगेन सी, अभी गवर्नमेंट का मशीनरी क्या कर रहा है कि हम लोग स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी पे या फिर इन जनरल सिटीजन्स पे मेंटल प्रेशर कैसे कम कर पाए, राइट? सो इसीलिए लोन में मोरेटोरियम का चल रहा है, स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी के लिए एग्जाम स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली बना रहे हैं. नो, ऑल दोस एफर्ट्स every government, whether it is the government of India or government of Maharashtra or other state governments, are trying to take the efforts to minimize the mental stress of all the citizens as well as the students of this particular state and country. So इसमें गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने एक बहुत बड़ा एक बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन लिया है. उन्होंने बताया है कि MBA और PGDM कोर्सेज के लिए आपको जो कैट, CET, मैट, ये जो एग्जाम्स देनी पड़ती थी, वो अगर किसी ने नहीं दी है कोरोना के वजह से, तो भी आपको एडमिशन मिल सकता है. दैट्स एन अमेजिंग अमेजिंग न्यूज. कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं है, हिस्ट्री में ऐसा हुआ नहीं है जो इस बार होने जा रहा है. जो मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट है CET इज जनरली द टफेस्ट पार्ट इन द एंटायर MBA एडमिशन प्रोसेस, वही गवर्नमेंट ने माफ कर दिया है. सो ऑफ कोर्स जिन्होंने CET दिया है उनको फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी दिया जाएगा एडमिशन के लिए, और सीटें जब बचेगी तो वो आपके ग्रेजुएशन के स्कोर के हिसाब से एडमिशन दिया जाएगा. सो माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ फाइनल ईयर ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन, ग्रैब दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. ये लाइफ टाइम का मतलब कुछ तो पॉजिटिव हुआ कोरोना के टाइम पे, है ना? तो ये बहुत बड़ा पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ है आप लोगों के लिए स्टूडेंट्स, दैट यू कैन गेट एडमिशन इन MBA without entrance as a special case only for this year. Okay, only for this year this special AICT ने एक स्पेशल सर्कुलर बनाया है. सो दिस इज एन गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी. गो फॉर इट, डेवलप योर पर्सनालिटी, डेवलप योर स्किल्स so that you are ready to get a big job once you complete your MBA in 2022. So with this I would like to end my video here, and all the best for your exam students, and I'm sure all of you would do well. एंड बिल्कुल टेंशन मत लो, सब लोग को 70-75% मिनिमम मिलने वाला है, ये मेरा गारंटी है. और उसके लिए जो भी आपको बोला है मैंने, MCQs और थोड़ा पढ़ाई कर लो, और आप 90 भी जा सकते हो, 90 ऑल्सो यू कैन गो, द गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो वेरी पॉजिटिव, वेरी बिग न्यूज़ फ्रॉम मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी. सो ऑल द बेस्ट एंड कीप रॉकिंग. थैंक यू.